Hello, my name is Estefania Calderon Lucas. Let me introduce you to my husband. His name is Ángel Pineda Arroyo. He is 40 years old. He is from Planeta Rica, Córdoba. His birthday is November 27. His favorite color is purple. Occupation: he is a chef. Favorite food: his favorite food is rice, scrambled eggs with tomato and onions, banana. His favorite activities are play soccer, fishing, good. Sometimes he doesn't like his pets in the house. Thank you.